Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. You know, I was doing the shout out for Dan over at the 60s Rule channel the other day, and I remembered that he had that Johan AMC 66 Marlin, and it was frickin' sweet. And I remember Dan saying that was his Grail kit. And I was thinking, man, what a lucky guy. You get your Grail kit, you get a chance to build it up. How cool is that? And as I was watching his video and I was thinking about it, you know, I have my Grail kit too. This is what I picked up maybe a couple years ago. And I don't know why. I can't really explain it. But this is my Grail kit. This Roadrunner. It looks so sweet. I know it was never a car that was produced. But man, MPC frickin' nailed it. This car looks awesome. And I know, again, it's an MPC kit, and a lot of people really don't think very highly of MPC. But man, this kit, they freaking nailed it. Look, they got the little pods on top of the fenders here. You got the scoop. I think they did an awesome job. The wing, the nose cone. I don't know. It's something about this kit. MPC just nailed it. This is my Grail kit. It is. I did buy it opened, but the parts are still sealed. Body molded in this beautiful yellow plastic. It actually looks pretty clean. A couple of mold lines, but not too bad. But everything else is still sealed. Man, I was just thinking, you know, this is my Grail kit. What about you guys out there? What is your Grail kit? What kit do you wish you could have if you had the money to buy it? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in today. I really do. I appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for commenting. I really and truly appreciate it. This is such a great community, and I look forward to seeing and hearing about your Grail kit. Anyway, hey, thanks again for tuning in. My name's Mike, and I'll see you guys on the next one.